Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem with the DHgate app. You click on settings as you see and you click here in this page. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of the DHgate as you see and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that